Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to open a engine hood of Ford Ecosport. The first and foremost, you need a key to open the main door. Just below the steering wheel, you have this special engine hood cable. You just need to pull this knob towards you to open the main lock. After that, you need to approach to the front side of the car, and here you have a special horizontal knob. As you can clearly see the yellow knob over here, you need to press it towards the right, and you need to pull the hood a little upwards to disengage the lock. So this was the only process. As you can clearly see, this is the cable operated knob, and when pulling this to the right, you will disengage the lock. Now you have this a safety handle over here. After locking it up here, you will have the engine hood at its place, and you will be ready to work on the engine. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.